Hi, I'm Adam and I'm a service delivery manager. I've been working for TUI for over 12 years and I can't wait to show you this beautiful island. Welcome to Rhodes. Now if you're looking at a map, you'll be able to spot Rhodes just below Turkey's south coast. It's part of a group of Greek islands known as the Dodecanese, and it's best known for its sand and pebble beaches, ancient ruins and lively nightlife. It's around a 4-hour flight to Rhodes from the UK, and once you land, you'll be 2 hours ahead. Greece is in the European Union, so as long as your trip lasts less than 90 days, you won't need a visa. You can expect warm weather here in Rhodes from April all the way through to October. Now if you're a sun worshipper like me, I'd pencil in a trip between June and August where the temperature can top 30 degrees. Yasu, in Rhodes we speak Greek, but don't you worry though, in most places people also speak English and everyone's super friendly. Now I might be a tiny bit biased because I live here, but from its historical sites to its sandy beaches, there's no wonder Rhodes is one of the most popular Greek islands. And it's a top pick for foodies too. Fresh food is what Greece is famous for, so you can expect plenty of delicious seafood. Plus, there are lots of traditional desserts made with local fruits and honey. And it's all paired up with wine that's sourced from local vineyards. We use euros here, but most places accept credit and debit cards too. Getting around Rhodes is really easy. Local bus routes cover most of the island and there are plenty of taxis. Or if you'd rather explore at your own pace, we can also sort car hire for you. If you ask me, a guided TUI experience is a great way to see the sights. The trip to Simi Island and Panamitis Monastery is one I'd always recommend. Rhodes Old Town is located on the island's northern tip. It's also the oldest inhabited medieval city in Europe. And if that's not enough, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site too. If you ask me, the Lindos Acropolis is one of Rhodes' best highlights. You'll find Lindos on the island's east coast. It's home to one of the most impressive archaeological sites. It's a little bit of a climb from the town, but the fortified walls, Doric columns and temple ruins make it well worth your while. In ancient times, Kallithea Springs' thermal waters were used as a form of therapy. The spa's been reconstructed in recent years and it's surrounded by pretty gardens. Butterfly Valley gets its name from the thousands of butterflies that travel here every year. The best time to spot them is between June and September. If history is your bag, make sure you plan a visit to the ancient city of Kamiros. It was founded by a group of ancient Greek people known as the Dorians more than 2,000 years ago. It was only discovered in the 19th century and it's gone down in history as one of the best preserved classical sites in Greece. When it comes to what to see, I'd recommend Rhodes Old Town all day long. Lindos is a great spot to tick off both beautiful beaches and historical sites, whilst Faliraki is the best place for a big night out. So what are you waiting for? Jump on a plane and we'll see you soon.